another week. How are you doing? London Metal Exchange nickel for its first time since the resumed trade on March 16. The contract didn't hit down the downside limit on metals was changing hands on March 23. Right now, the prices of stainless steel, spot, and futures are in a rising tendency. If you want to learn more about it, just keep watching. From March 21st to March 25, London Metal Exchange nickel fluctuated from limit down to limit up, influencing the stainless steel price trend to swing. The increase in stainless steel spot price was brought by the boost of nickel and stainless steel futures. The raw material cost also puts oil onto the fire. Both ferronickel and ferrochrome remains at a high price due to the lockdown amid the pandemics in some cities. Therefore, the stainless steel prices can hardly decrease based on the strong raw material support. The market will continue to waddle until the London Metal Exchange nickel returns to ratio. In a word, the stainless steel prices, it is predicted that it will remain fluctuated and increase in the short term. Since 2020, all buyers and sellers have suffered a lot from the enormous sea freight. Typically, in the stainless steel industry with such heavyweight products, the high cost of transportation are annoying. Fortunately, in recent days, the prices of transportation start to decrease. According to the Shanghai Export Container Freight Index released by the Shanghai Shipping Exchange from March 11 to 18, the index was 4,540 points. And on March 25, the index kept decreasing to 4,434. In the past month, the settlement freight index of Shanghai port export to Europe has decreased by 6.7% compared with the previous period. The freight index of Shanghai port export to the U.S. West Coast has dropped in early March and has remained stable since then. One of the reasons for the downward in the sea freight might be the reducing demand that it is related to the war and the pandemic that interrupts the supply chains. Besides, it is on to the previous investigations against the high ocean freights. What's more, many shipping companies increase their capability by throwing more cargo ships into the practice. Perhaps it is the right time for you to take a chance since everyone's hoped the sea freight decrease continuously. But the reality is that we live in an intense global environment and there are huge disadvantages that we can ignore, such as the rising cost fuel and the disruption of the supply chain. Well guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching us. If you want to learn more about it, please link to our website to read more about the stainless steel market in China. And of course, remember to subscribe and leave your comment down below. Bye!